Check out this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Jeep Wrangler, the rugged and iconic, adventure-loving four-wheel drive open-air SUV with the power and capabilities you need for your outdoor lifestyle. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, trip computer, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Never be anyone but your authentic self. You belong in the Wrangler.